Hello everyone. There's a lot that is going on with PhalaPhala Farmgate saga. Mr. PhalaPhala himself needs to come clean. At least he owes that to the public, since he was elected as a president of the country. Even the people who are implicated in this matter are threatening others live on media. Ramaphosa keeps on saying he won't comment. PhalaPhala saga is still under investigation. Mr. Paul O'Sullivan is under fire after he was identified as an alleged suspect accused of leaking information about Cyril Ramaphosa's PhalaPhala burglary. He was on SABC News discussing the findings on air, and that didn't turn out well. The man was very rude. He made lots of threats and even went as far as undermining the journalist that was asking him questions, Sakina Kamwendo. And shots were fired. I'm telling you, the man picked up a fight instead of answering questions. It all started when Sakina challenged O'Sullivan on his knowledge of Major General Wally Rood, the head of Presidential Protection Services, who had been accused of supplying former spy boss Arthur Fraser with false evidence. Arthur Fraser led criminal complaints against Cyril Ramaphosa, which resulted in the PhalaPhala Farmgate scandal and a panel being established to investigate the robbery. When Sakina confronted O'Sullivan that he may not have known that Rudy worked for Ramaphosa, he went off the rails. He said, "I had no idea Rudy worked for Ramaphosa. That wasn't my business. Excuse me, who do you think you're talking to? Are you trying to implicate me? If that's the way you want to carry on, we will not carry on with this discussion. Let me make this clear to you." He then said he doesn't want to be asked dodgy questions. I mean, wow, that response was rude and unnecessary. He really sounds guilty, Shem. Maybe he is guilty as charged, we don't know, but that's just an opinion. What's your take on this one, people? The EFF was not happy at all of how Paul behaved on national TV and reacted to the interview and said the bullying and intimidatory approach of O'Sullivan is part of his overall entitlement and racist, arrogant attitude that makes him believe he is above the law, above accountability, and above law enforcement institutions. His arrogance became worse since Cyril Ramaphosa's tragic ascension to the office of the President of the Republic, since O'Sullivan and Ramaphosa are personal friends. We therefore demand that the public broadcaster must come out in defense of Sakina Kamwendo and condemn the misbehavior and misconduct of O'Sullivan. The SABC's failure to protect its employees from bullies will entail that such conduct is permissible and can be done to all the broadcasters by rascals who have no respect for media freedom and individual accountability.